Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making street-style chili potato, crispy fried potatoes tossed in spicy tangy sauce, just like your favorite roadside stalls. Let's start the recipe. Peel 2 to 3 potatoes. Chili potato is inspired by Indo-Chinese street food. And cut into long thick pieces. Boil water with half teaspoon salt. Add potatoes and boil until 80% cooked. Boil potatoes only 80% cooked. Remove from heat and transfer to a bowl. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon corn flour. Coat the potatoes well. Double cooking makes potatoes extra crispy. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Keep aside. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 2 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon green chili, two tablespoon onion, and saute lightly. Add 2 tablespoons each of green, red and yellow capsicum. Add 1/8 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half tablespoon tomato sauce, half tablespoon red chili sauce, half teaspoon soy sauce. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoon water. Stir until sauce thickens. Add fried potatoes, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon honey. Toss well and sprinkle coriander leaves. Honey balances spicy and salty flavors. Sesame seeds add nutty crunch. Potatoes provide quick energy. Homemade version use fresh vegetables. Controlled oil makes it lighter. Best enjoyed fresh and hot. Your street-style chili potato is crispy, spicy and full of flavor. Serve it hot as a snack or party starter. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more street-style recipes.